How to fix Logitech G Hub not opening or not working. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, tap on the Play Store application and make sure that you have the latest version of the Logitech G Hub application on your device. As you can see on the screen, there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version of the application. So we're going to go back from the home screen and make a long press on the application and then tap on App Info. As you tap on App Info, you can see the option of Clear Data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on Clear Data and then Clear Cache and tap on OK. If it's possible, you can also tap on Clear All Data and delete all data, but I'm not going to do that. Afterwards, tap on App Permissions and make sure that you have toggled on the required options over here. And as you do that, you can just go and relaunch your application and this might help you fix the issue. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.